like
bro, you can't be recording everything, bro. Niggas doing illegal shit.
Alright, so this is for the police. What YouTube, it's your boy Bright. We back. We're not back, it's my first video. Well, damn. We're gonna vlog. Go a little car meet. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see how shit is. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's the first video. Y'all gonna get hip with me. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? TP. Well, honestly, I rate the fit, but I ain't wearing shit for real. I ain't got no money yet. But we gonna get there, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. It's my baby right here. Phone now. I'll take off from the Z. 10 map. I gotta get used to this vlog and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna go with me. Y'all gonna grind with me. It's only the start. You know what I'm saying? Motivation is the word. I need more confidence. I need more confidence because I be insecure to vlog and show myself, bro. Sorry, you know what I'm saying? Y'all with me on this journey. We're gonna grind together for to my life. It's like I don't know. Like I feel like niggas be looking at me and shit. I'm trying to record and shit. Like
yeah, no, that's a scary. I used to vlog.
That was stressed.
What the fuck you
looking at?
What you looking at? No, looking at you, boy.
Like dumbass.
Bro. Yo, what's up, man? J2 Vlogs. It's been a minute since we've been in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Now we all grown out.
The Goodwill fit on.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, these bitches. Levi's 505s, $20. And we got the Glock 48.
How much that was, bro?
Police! That tip hollows, we leave that shit.
Police!
Yeah, I run this shit, man. That's an Asian guy with his black friends chilling.
I'm dead.
Alright, how's your turn?
Good shit.
Start with the shoes.
The shoes, these Balenciagas.
Oh, you support Balenciaga?
How much? What they did? Easy.
Start over. Yeah, start over.
Nah, yeah. What the fuck did Balenciaga? I got these off of Amazon.
It's like
Bro, you can't be recording everything, bro. Niggas doing illegal shit.
Alright, so this is for the police.
My car beat your car in the race.
Wait, you beat him?
Yep, on the highway, and he was talking about some, oh,
What, this
I
right
needed an
here?
oil change. Boy, this got a turbo in it.
That's always his excuse. Oil change.
It does make a difference.
But I needed an oil change at the time, too. They thought I was capping. I showed them
How you
warning.
get this?
You can get like a USB. I'm just kidding.
Crashing niggas.
You didn't hear this.
It gets a little here to turbo.
When you don't find the spot, it's just like, damn.
Man got me in a race.
Nigga go to a car meet, say where the hose at.
That's where the car's at, dude.
That shit is slammed.
Our Nismo's 19.
Is it?
The Nismo's, like the Nissan Nismo.
They be 19?
I'm not sure.
Just hype.
Is it?
I don't think so.
You gotta get some cars on that bit.
Yo, hit it on yourself.
I was gonna get one of these, but I don't think this was an automatic.
They got an automatic.
You're the only one that I play, baby. No games. We've been together 6 months.
Oh yeah, that shit looks tough. This shit's old and raggedy.
And the best female line report.
And the best female ride reports right about now. Not for those. Big up there, man. Big up the old, so where they come from.
That was this one fucking popping and shit? Right?
That's how Uzi comes out.
Yeah, for real. That's just tough. You even got one on the top. Bitches everywhere. Bitches.
I didn't either. I always want a car like this and put a laptop in it and some dogs like some music speed shit.
To tune it? Use the laptop to tune it.